Hello, I'm Tanya Coburn. I'm the Marketing and Communications Manager here at TrueFlow Technology, and I'm here today to talk to you about why you need to get Google reviews and what you need to do to get them. First and major reason why you need Google reviews is for social proof. A staggering 73% of consumers will trust your site if you have positive Google reviews. That's huge. You'll see those conversion rates go up the more Google reviews you have. And you may have noticed when you Google a business and Google Maps comes up, you'll notice the business with the most and highest rated reviews will pop up first. That's not an accident. First way to get Google reviews, and this might seem really obvious, but we forget sometimes, is just simply ask for it. Get your brokers to ask a client for a review when they're on the phone with a client. Anytime someone has a positive interaction with the business, they want to help you out. They want to tell your friends. They want to be your brand promoter. So get your brokers to ask and you will see those reviews coming in. Reason number 2, and a great way to get it, is contest. Have a great and fun contest with your staff. Do an August Rush review contest or a fall review contest where maybe the person with the most Google reviews will receive $500 or a gift card to Amazon. First thing is, do not buy reviews. Google wants to see genuine reviews, and they do have algorithms that can tease out fake reviews and you will get penalized. Second thing is, you never want to pay for a review. So you can't offer your customers monetary rewards for reviewing you, but you can offer your staff rewards for getting reviews from customers. And it's important to make sure that your reviews are coming from either customers or prospects that had an interaction with you, because somehow Google will find out, and I've seen businesses be penalized for that. For more great tips and topics on all things marketing, please follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.